You're dribbling. You're dribbling, you little messy monster. Burp time.
Oh, look at that face.
Is she making a happy face?
A content face.
Bright eyes?
One eye closed. Oh. I zoomed in on her face. What you doing, Paisley?
I'm getting a lot more comfortable. I've had no experience with newborns before. Yeah. So fragile. But they aren't as fragile as you would think. I mean, you have to be careful that it's not like you have to treat them like eggshells or something.
Yeah.
She's pretty strong. She can hold her own head up and everything.
Extra set of eyes. NASA-inspired zero-gravity seats and a control panel to match. Plus, fuel economy will take you farther.